Have you ever seen the inside of a beehive? Get ready for an exhilarating journey as we delve into the mysterious world of bees. We'll witness their tireless efforts in creating honey, a precious liquid gold that sustains the entire colony. And guess what? There are secrets that even seasoned beekeepers might not know. Everything begins with the miracle of life. A tiny egg hatches, revealing a fragile larva, a small white creature that could easily be mistaken for a gummy worm. These larvae rest snugly within the hexagonal wax cells of the hive, a masterpiece of engineering designed to protect, nourish, and secure the future of the colony. The tiny bees, like master artists, use their long tongues like paintbrushes, gently touching each flower to extract the sweet nectar. The nectar is stored in a special pouch inside their bodies, like a little treasure gifted by nature. Did you know that each bee can remember thousands of different flowers and always finds the freshest blooms? Isn't that a marvel of nature? All eyes are on the beekeeper. Dressed in a pristine white protective suit, he resembles a brave knight entering the kingdom of bees. In his hand, he holds a small smoker, like a magical wand, calming the busy bees. Every movement is gentle, reflecting a deep respect for these tiny friends. Together, man and nature harmonize in this small space, creating a stunning picture of coexistence. With steady hands and essential tools, the beekeeper separates the hive frames. A soft brush carefully guides the bees back to their hive. Each honey-laden frame is meticulously extracted and neatly stacked into transport boxes. Every step is a dance of patience and skill, ensuring no harm comes to the buzzing residents. While I nervously watch from a safe distance, a figure emerges, a woman with flowing hair and eyes radiating courage. She confidently approaches the hive, fearless and calm. With her bare hands, she skillfully separates the honeycombs, harvesting the honey with remarkable expertise. Watching her face thousands of buzzing bees without a hint of fear fills me with awe. How does she do it? Perhaps behind her gentle demeanor lies a brave heart and a unique skill that few possess. The journey of honey doesn't end here. After leaving the hive, the wooden crates arrive in a completely different world, a honey processing factory. Here, a magical transformation takes place. The sturdy wax coating encasing the honeycomb is carefully removed, revealing a treasure trove of golden liquid inside. This is pure honey, crystallized from the sweet nectar collected across vast fields. Imagine the honeycomb as a giant layer cake. To extract the sweet filling inside, a special machine is used, the centrifuge. When the honeycombs are placed inside, it spins rapidly, creating a small whirlwind. The powerful centrifugal force pushes the golden drops of honey out of the comb, shooting out like miniature rays of sunlight before gently flowing into collection tanks. In mere moments, a vast amount of pure honey is harvested, ready for the next stages. It's a miraculous process, combining the strength of machinery with human ingenuity. Next, the honey is filtered to remove any remaining wax or impurities, ensuring a perfect product. What remains is the essence of pure, unadulterated honey, brimming with flavor and health benefits. Imagine the bottling room as a giant soda factory, but instead of soda, it's filled with pure honey. The honey tanks resemble mini swimming pools, overflowing with sweet, nectar water. Glass bottles move along a special conveyor belt, like roller coasters, gliding swiftly and precisely. When they reach their destination, the filling nozzles dispense honey, creating a spectacular display. Think honey is just for drinking? Think again. At this factory, honey is transformed into unique and delightful gifts. Enter the world of honey spoons, delicately crafted treats made entirely of pure honey. Each cute little spoon is carefully sealed, ready for you to enjoy anytime, anywhere. Every drop of honey we enjoy contains a miraculous story. Close your eyes and imagine, you're standing in a vast field of flowers, enveloped by a sweet fragrance. Tiny bees buzz around, collecting nectar. That image comes alive in every drop of honey we taste. Each spoonful takes you back to that magical moment. Have you ever wondered, behind every bottle of honey lies a wondrous world? From the flower fields to modern machines, from tiny bees to diligent farmers, all contribute to creating those sweet drops. Every time you savor honey, you're uncovering a small piece of nature and humanity's magic.